Good morning, it's me, Mikey Pipes. It is Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. It is 7:20 in the morning. I'm by myself right now. The other Mike and Godzilla are going to swap out a 40-gallon gas-fired water heater. And then they're going to head back to the West Hempstead job so we can install all the baseboard for that house and start up and commission that system. That Navian NFC 175 we installed yesterday. I'm going to run 3 service calls. My first one is a no hot water call. Pilot won't stay lit, so maybe a thermocouple. Hopefully not a gas valve, but we'll see what's going on. Try to get some video there. Second call, I'm going to Lido Beach. I got a Generac generator. It's got a maintenance light on. We were just there. I don't know why it's popped up, but we'll figure that out. And then I got a radiant system where 2 loops aren't heating up. So let's check out this first job of the day. Give them some reliable domestic hot water. I'll get some video. Let's see, hopefully something simple. All right, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Special shout out to my 41 percenters. That's right, baby. 41% of the viewers of this channel are subscribers. So if you haven't done so already, support Mikey Pipes and hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you. Stay tuned. Let's get the day started. Hi.
Hi.
Yes. Give the hot water?
Yeah. Give me 1 minute. I got to turn off the alarm.
No problem.
I can meet you at the
Side
over
door?
there.
Sure,
Yeah.
no problem. Thank you. All right, let's see what's going on here. These old houses. The Gibson part. Right down the stream. They're all these row type houses. Very nice. They all have side doors. Brings you right to the basement. Good stuff. Let's see what's going on. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Oh, are you downstairs?
Yes, please.
How you doing this morning?
Pretty good. How about you?
Yeah, thank God, no complaints.
Okay.
Everyone's healthy in the house? Safe?
All right. Yep.
Which way?
To your right.
To my right.
That's what they asked for.
Yeah. An old American. Ooh. Looks like she's got a leak on the relief valve here. Bet you this expansion tank was full.
Okay.
So the pilot's out?
To my limited knowledge, I believe that's the case. I know I just got working. I'm trying to.
There's all this stuff down here. Let's push this out of the way a little bit. Alright. Can't really see in there. Let's see if we can relight it. It's cracked a little bit there. Let's see. Let's see if I can see it. There's the pilot. Hold that down for about a minute. Let's see if she stays lit. Alright. Take this out. Let's try that again. Got a loose there. She's snug. these water heaters are generally reliable. Hard to breathe in this mess. Let me get the pressing. Thermocouple shot. Cool. Taped up right there. I'll change that out. Okay. One of the screws broke off, so I had to re-tap in a new one. 5/16 right there. Okay. Wiggle the pilot tubing in. It'll help you hand tight it. Look at that. Try this one more time. No, it's not getting in there. have reverse threaded thermocouplings. Stupid. I think they did that for a little bit of time. Why? I don't know. Extra right there. There you go. Alright. Nice flame. Hold that down for a 60 count. See what happens. Alright, she's lit. Let's turn her on. As this water heats up, relief valve may be dripping more. Got a full expansion tank. Let's see what they want to do with that. Alright, let's quickly take a look at the invoice. Confirmed issue. Found pilot flame sensor failure. Replaced. Tested okay. Also noted relief valve slightly lifting. Domestic thermal expansion tank also is full. Age of water heater and condition justifies replacement of tank. Alternatively, replace relief valve and expansion tank to resolve leak on relief valve. Let me give him the options with that and see what he wants to do. All right. Whew. You know, that Vito Tech XL is heavy. And I miss not having Godzilla to schlep it for me. But anyway, I discussed with the client, the homeowner, you know, what was wrong with the heater, what failed, what I did to correct it. I give him the price. You know, he knew the price beforehand, you know, with the thermocouple. But I give him a price on the relief valve and expansion tank, and I say, listen, I'm already here. You know, why pay twice? You know, I'm here, I can get it done within the hour. You know, we got to measure the domestic water pressure and make sure the expansion tank equals that pressure. I was like, but even, you know, doing that, I could still be in and out of there in under an hour. And alternatively, I said, listen, the age of the water heater justifies replacement. I was like, so also consider that. And he goes, you know what, Mike? Let's replace the heater. And I said, okay. I was like, right now, you know, it's up and running. You have hot water. Give it about 45 minutes, you know, to an hour. So you have full capacity. And then, you know, go to town with showers. And I can't replace the water heater for you today. But, you know, since it's up and running, you know, I give him a price to replace it. And took a deposit. And we're going to do that on Friday. So that's how you get the job done, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this kind of content, let me get your thoughts, feedback down in the comment section down below. And even your constructive criticism. Let me know what you would have done differently. I don't think anything could have been done differently with that one. But just a standard thermocouple replacement. And also, if you enjoy this content and you haven't done so already, consider subscribing and supporting the channel. Thank you. We're off to our next.